see it, man. First customer. Real supporter right here. Finna get bro running. Good and running. Gonna get it good and running. Yes, sir. What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz? Y'all see it, man. First customer. About to get bro on the road. Little small pieces, nothing major. Get his mirrors on. Get his trim back on, the light on. Get his transmission leak addressed. Brake lines. Hood adjusted. Man, carburetor tuned. We're gonna get this thing running. He will not have to tow it back when it leaves, so y'all wait around for it, man. Y'all know the motto. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe. And y'all see it, man. 803 WHIPGAMEz, man. First customer, man. I'm overly excited. So, man, we're gonna get window filters on, mirrors on, carburetor adjusted, transmission leak fixed, brake lines ran, all the brakes bled all the way around. Whatever trim lacking that he want us to put on, we're gonna get this thing right so he can drive it, be ready, man. So y'all wait around for it, man. Be back in a minute. Man, y'all see it, 803 WHIPGAMEz. 72, owned by my partner. We about to get this thing buttoned up, get all the window filters on, windows lined up. We're gonna get the carburetor working right, tuned right. Transmission leak, we got a new transmission pan. We'll get the new transmission pan on. What else? A few trim pieces on the inside, side marker lights in the back. And we're gonna get this thing ready for the streets. That way he can drive it when he come pick it up. So y'all wait around for it. Right now we just going through all the parts in the trunk, seeing what we got, separating everything. Get this car cover out, that way we can keep it covered, because we are outside right now until the shop get built. But man, y'all see it, man. First customer, man. A real supporter. Shout out to my partner, man, BG, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him on all platforms. But y'all wait around for it. We got a few days to get this car running. Man, we'll be back in a minute. First car in. for 803 whips and restorations. We gotta mess with this distributor a little bit, get this card tuned. Man, we're gonna do a few little things. Window Phelps, we're gonna get the window Phelps on. We're gonna get the side mirror on. We're gonna get the side marker covers on. We're gonna hide all these wires. Get some wire covers on all these wires for him. Get the hood adjusted. Transmission leak. Got a new transmission pan, seals, gaskets. Get that on. Header bolts. A few more little odds and ends for my guy, man. He seen the work we've been putting in on Project OBS, man. So he wanted to come through, man. Let us finish buttoning him up. Get everything buttoned up on the inside. Get all his window seals. Get all them on, door seals on. Little odds and ends. Get his gear shifter on. Y'all see it, man. Just wait around for it. Definitely about to get them running. Get them right. Get them cleaned up. To be able to drive this thing on. Window Phelps. We're gonna get his window rollers on. Man, just a few odds and ends, man. Y'all see it. Get them buttoned up. Cleaned up. Gonna get his pillar pieces on. Y'all see it, man. Wait around for it. Shout out to my boy, man. Just give me all a little before. A little walk around before. Gonna get all new header bolts on. Make sure that's nice, tight, sealed up. Y'all wait around for it. Mirrors on, window Phelps on. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Hey, right here where the felt gets screwed in at, somebody has broke all the screws off. We're gonna have to drill these screws out and put new screws in to get the felt put in.
All right, 803 WHIPGAMEz. As y'all see, we got the weather stripping in on properly, tight, screwed down all the way around. We got the window felt, the outer window felt on. Y'all see it, man.
We got a leak ahead of me.
Got that window lined up.
This bolt sideways.
We're gonna have to just do a little adjusting here. But also, this trim missing a lot of it. This window felt here is missing a lot of it. So I'm gonna tell them to get a new one of those. That should button this up. That should bring that seal, this seal here, to fill that in. So y'all wait around for it. That's it. Door nice and tight with the new seals all the way around.
Right here, they blew out. And that's why you got your exhaust leak you do. Need some new ones, buddy.
What's up, 803 WHIPGAMEz? Y'all see it, man. Project 72 dump, man. In for a few upgrades, little ends and odds. Man, y'all stay tuned to the channel. We're about to drop a major video on this thing, man. First customer, man, to 803 WHIPZ and Restorations. Y'all know we've been working on Project OBS. We're on day 16 Next we'll be getting the suspension and new wheels on there. Yep, we got new wheels for it. We'll be going to get the drivetrain next week for it. Man, y'all wait around for it. We working. New wheels on the Cuddy. About to be dropping it off to Blue, the resto specialist for that wet, man. Y'all stay around for it. We'll be back in a minute.